Hi children, good morning. Sit straight in your chairs. Don't move your hands and legs. Join your hands and let's start the prayer. शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णशुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्. Dear children, welcome to today's English grammar class. Today's date is 21/1/2021. Day is Thursday. We are dealing with chapter 8 from English grammar, that is action words. Today we will do an exercise from page number 47 and 48. Okay? Before we start the exercise, first let me tell you the name of the topic. Okay? The name of the topic is adding, A-D-D-I-N-G, adding S or ES to the action words. A-C-T-I-O-N, action, W-O-R-D-S, words. Okay? Adding S or ES to the action words. This is today's topic. Okay? So, children, on page number 47, you have this. Read these sentences. Okay? Look at these sentences, children. Read these sentences. See. A, B, C. I have written 3 types of sentences. Okay? Let's see these sentences here in A. 2 sentences are there in A. Okay? Let's see the first sentence. The boy sings well. The boy sings well. The boy sings well. So, identify the action word here. What is the action word? Sings. Right? Okay. See the second one. The boys sing well. The boys sing well. So, here action words are same. Right? Sings, sing. Okay? But there is just a small difference. What is that? Sing, let me write here. S-I-N-G, sing. Okay? In second sentence, we have sing. And in first sentence, we have sings. S-I-N-G-S, sings. Right? Now, come back to this, B. In B also, we have 2 sentences. Okay? Let's read the sentence. Read the first sentence. The monkey eats bananas. The monkey eats bananas. Okay? Second sentence. The monkeys eat bananas. So, eats and eat. Action word. Okay? First let me write eat. E-A-T, eat, and E-A-T-S, eats. Meaning is same. Just small change in spelling. That's all. Here this is eat. Here this is eats. We have just added S. Now come to this C part. Here also we have 2 sentences. Let's read them. The shop opens early. The shop opens early. Second sentence. The shops open early. So, open is action word. Well, let me underline this too. Okay, let me underline. So, in the second sentence, open is there. Word open. O-P-E-N, open, which is action word, which is an action word. And same, opens. O-P-E-N, open, and just S is there. Meaning is same. Open, opens. Now, come here. Come to this part. Sing, sings. Eat, eats. Open, opens. See, all these are action words, but the difference is we have just added S, S, S to these words. Okay? What do you think? Why did we add this? Do you think this is one and many? Huh? Can I write here one and many? Can I write here one and many? One and many. Okay? Do you think this is one and many, children? We have already finished this topic of one and many, right? Where did we do this one and many? In nouns. We did this topic one and many in nouns, naming words. Okay? Like P-E-N, pen. This is one. M-A-N-Y, many is P-E-N-S, pens. Pen is one. Pens, many. B-O-O-K, book. Many books. Very good. B-O-O-K-S, books. And here, T-A-B-L-E, table. Tables. T-A-B-L-E-S, tables. So, one and many, we write one and many for nouns, for the naming words. Okay? We don't write one and many for action words. Okay? So, this is not one and many. Okay? Don't think. Sing and sing. Sing is one time sing and sing is singing many times. Eat is one time eat and eats is eating many times. Open is one time open and opens is opening many times. Don't think like that. Okay, this is not one and many. One and many we can do for things. Okay, we cannot do for actions. Okay, so then what is this? Why are we writing this? Why are in first sentence, why did we write sings? In the second sentence, why did we write sing? Here also eats, eat. Opens, open. Why did we do this? Now, we need to pay attention to the sentences here. So, this is not one and many. I'm erasing. This is not one and many. Then what is this? Now, come back to the sentence. Look here, children. Read the sentence carefully. The boy sings well. Now, our attention should go this part. Okay? The first part. Okay? Here, the boy. Okay? So, boy is naming word. Right? Boy is naming word. Person. So, how many persons are there? How many persons are there? Boy is only one person. Right? So, here we are talking about one person. One person. Here we are talking about one person. Okay? And when we are talking about one person, what is the action word we are using? Sings. Okay? It means we added S when we are talking about one person. Now come to B1. The monkey is one animal. Okay? The monkey is one animal. When we are talking about one animal, then we are writing S, eats. We are adding S to the action word. Okay? Now come to C. C1. The shop. We are talking about one thing. Shop. We are talking about one thing. When we are talking about one thing, then we are writing opens. Okay, in the action word we are writing opens. It means we have added S. Sings, eats, opens. One boy is one person. So when we are talking about one person or one animal or one thing, we need to add S to the action word. This is the first one. Okay, let me write here. When we are talking about, the first point is, what is the first point, children? When we talk about one person, when we talk about one person or one animal or one thing, only one thing, then we add S. Then we add S or ES. Then we add S or ES to the action word. We add S or ES to what? To the action word. S or ES to the action word. Okay, this is your first point. Now, what is the second point? Second point is this one. When we talk about, now come to the second sentence. We have done with all the first sentences. In A, number one sentence is over. In B, number one sentence is over. In C, number one sentence is over. Now we need to discuss about A, second sentence. The boys. How many boys? Many boys. Many. Then look at the action word. Sing. There is no S here. Sing. Action word is sing. Okay. The boys sing well. Come to B. Second one. The monkeys. Many monkeys. Look at the action word. Eat. Action word is eat. There is no S here. Here we are talking about animals. Many. Okay. Now, come to this. The shops. Many shops. Okay, it means many things. Then, open. There is no S here. No S or ES. It means the second point is, when we talk about more than one, it can be 2 or 3. Okay. When we talk about more than one. Okay, what? More than one person or animal, A-N-I-M-A-L, animal, or thing. Okay? When we talk about more than one person, animal, or thing, then what? We don't have to add. We don't add S or ES to the action word. We don't add S or ES to the action word. Okay? Is this clear? When we talk about only one person, one animal, and one thing, we add S or ES to the action word. When we talk about more than one, it means many person, animal, or thing, then we don't add S or ES to the action word. Clear? These 2 points are clear? Third point. One more important point is there. Third point is, look at the third point. See, third point is, with the words I, you, we, and they. With the words I, you, we, and they, we do not add S or ES to the action word. With these words, we do not add s or es to the action word. A-C-T-I-O-N, action word. This is third important point. Okay? With the words I, you, we, they. When these words come in the sentence, then we don't add s or es to the action word. Clear? Let me give example to this. Let me give one example to this. Okay? I'm erasing this one. Okay? This third, I will write example here. For example, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences will come. When the sentence is starting with I eat. Okay? I eat CHOCOLATES, chocolates. I eat chocolates. Second sentence. Do you eat CHOCOLATES, chocolates? Third sentence. We eat CHOCOLATES, chocolates. Last sentence. They eat CHOCOLATES, chocolates. Okay? Look at this, children. What did I say here in third point? When a sentence is starting with I, you, we and they, we don't add s or es to the action word. Sentence starting with I. First sentence. Here sentence is starting with I. Okay? I eat chocolates. Look at the action word here. Eat is action word. E-A-T, eat. Did I add s or es? No. Just E-A-T, eat. See the second one. Do you eat chocolates? Do you eat chocolates? I am asking question to somebody. Do you eat chocolates? So this is question mark. So you, when you is there. Second one. Eat. E-A-T, eat. So here also eat. Here also eat. We didn't add s or es to the action word. Look at the third one. We eat chocolates. Third is we. Sentence is starting with we. Eat. Again, the action word is eat. I didn't add s or es to the action word. We eat chocolates. Look at the last one. They. Sentence is starting with they. They eat chocolates. Again, eat. So, in all the 4 cases, the action word is same. This is not the action word here. You. Okay? In all the 4 cases, the action word is same. Eat, 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 eat. I eat chocolates. Do you eat chocolates? We eat chocolates. They eat chocolates. I didn't write anything here. Eats. E-A-T-S, eats. I didn't write S. Is this clear, children? Is this clear? So, this will become more clear when we will do the exercises. Today, I will not start any exercises. Okay? This is important. I want you to read these sentences. Okay? Page number 47, read these sentences. Please read these sentences. Okay? After that, in page number 48, all this case 1, case 2, case 3, these are given. This is important. You need to understand this. Okay? Then, next class, we will do the exercise. Okay? If you are clear with the concept, you can start doing the exercise. Okay, children? So, meet you in EVS class. I hope this topic is clear. This is very important actually. Okay? This is very, this is very important. Okay, children? That's all for today. Take care. Tata. Bye-bye.